Let's see how to say it in Chinese. What's up? What happened? In Chinese language, to say what happened or what's the matter or what's wrong with someone, there are so many expressions. One of them is zamala. Zamala means what happened, what's wrong with someone. Zamala, now you speak it. Zamala. For example, some of your class fellows come to take class every day, but if someday he doesn't come, you are surprised to see that. 他每天来上课，今天怎么了？他每天来上课，今天怎么了？ He comes to class every day. What happened to him today? 他今天怎么了？ What's wrong with him? 怎么了？ Okay, another example. 你怎么了？为什么不说话呢？你怎么了？ What's wrong with you? 为什么不说话呢？ Why don't you talk? Why you are not talking? 你怎么了？